to day 10 of my raw fruitarian weight loss test. If I can grab this thing, see what my waist is. About 3/8 of an inch below 27. So I passed 27, I'm getting closer to 26. So my inches are decreasing. Hips are at 37. So that's about a quarter decrease from yesterday. Yay! Thighs are 21, still about the same as yesterday. But overall, still decreasing. Weight is 132.2. So I'm still hovering around 132. I'm getting closer to 131. I think that's a little bit lighter than yesterday. So it's strange that I'm hovering around 132, but I'm still continuing to get slimmer physically. I'm not sure why that is. Maybe it's because my weight is dropping, but my muscle mass is gaining. So it's kind of keeping me in this limbo. I'm not sure. But I've been hovering around 132 for several days. So hopefully I'll start to see a decrease in my weight soon. But I think the most important thing is I am losing inches. My inches are getting smaller in my waist and my hips. So that's what I'm really looking for. So overall, I'm satisfied, feeling good. And raw fruitarian diet is not leaving me feeling hungry at all. I'm still full from all the food I ate last night, actually. I'm not even hungry for breakfast. So, like I said in a previous video, as long as you don't allow yourself to get really hungry and you just keep your stomach full and satisfied, it's easy. It's really easy to not eat junk food because there's such a wide variety of foods to eat. You never get bored. So, for breakfast today, I'm probably going to have a bunch of strawberries and some watermelon. And these are organic strawberries. So, strawberry leaves are edible. If you want to eat them, they're not going to harm you. Okay, so getting ready to go for a jog and feed these stray kitties. I found an old school building that I like to go jogging at because I mapped out like a little obstacle course. I run upstairs and I jump up over things, and it really helps boost your run rather than just sitting there running continuously and monotonously. There's some stairs for me to run up and things for me to jump over, and makes it more of an obstacle course, and it's a really large campus, so I can do 5 minutes here, and then when I get bored, I'll go over and do 5 minutes somewhere else, and it really helps your jogging time go by faster and be more fun and not so boring. So, getting ready to go do that, and I found a little litter of kittens over there, so I've been feeding them and giving them water. So, I might be bringing home some more kittens. Shh. I'm going to get in trouble. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.